Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will talk about packing for our vacation. Let's go! We will speak using present simple tense. Let's pack the suitcase and go to the sea. An inner tube. I pack an inner tube. What do you pack? I pack an inner tube. A raft. I pack a raft. What do you pack? I pack a raft. Life jacket. I pack a life jacket. What do you pack? I pack a life jacket. A sun umbrella. I pack a sun umbrella. What do you pack? I pack a sun umbrella. Goggles. I pack goggles. What do you pack? I pack goggles. What do you pack for the sea? I pack an inner tube, a raft, a life jacket, a sun umbrella, goggles. Send a video or audio PM and tell me, what do you pack for your vacation? Thanks for learning today. Tomorrow, we will review what we have learned. Grab the free download to get ready for tomorrow. See you soon!